Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's essential for everyone, making smart financial choices. We're going to talk about things that people sometimes waste money on, especially when they're on a tight budget. Whether you're looking to save more, build an emergency fund, or simply make better financial decisions, these tips are for you. Before we begin, remember that everyone's financial situation is unique, and what might be a waste of money for one person could be a necessity for another. These tips are meant to help you evaluate your spending habits and decide where you can make adjustments. Number 1. Expensive coffee shops. Starting off with something we can all relate to, those tempting trips to expensive coffee shops. Instead of spending a hefty chunk on your daily caffeine fix, consider brewing your coffee at home. It's not only cheaper but also gives you more control over your expenses. Number 2. Eating out too often. We all enjoy dining out, but those frequent fast food runs can quickly add up. Cooking at home can save you a significant amount in the long run. Plan your meals, make a grocery list, and watch your savings grow. Number 3. Brand name products. While brand name items might have their appeal, they often come with a higher price tag. Generic or store brand products can be just as good in quality and save you a bundle. Number 4. Unused subscriptions. Subscription services can be convenient, but it's easy to accumulate ones you don't actually use. Take a closer look at your subscriptions and consider canceling those you rarely use. Number 5. Impulse buying. We've all been there, making unplanned purchases that can drain our wallets. Before buying, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. Give yourself a cooling off period before hitting that checkout button. Number 6. Late fees and interest. Late fees and high interest rates on credit cards can eat into your budget. Make it a priority to pay bills on time and consider consolidating or negotiating lower rates. Number 7. Buying new books. Instead of buying brand new books, check out your local library or explore ebooks. Borrowing can save you money and still provide you with great reading material. Number 8. Overpriced gym memberships. High-end gyms can be enticing, but there are often more budget-friendly alternatives available. Consider home workouts, outdoor activities, or more affordable fitness centers. Number 9. Unused or duplicate services. Evaluate all your services, from cable TV to streaming platforms. If you're not using them all, it might be time to cut back. Number 10. Constantly upgrading gadgets. The newest gadgets can be tempting, but do you really need to upgrade every time? Assess your current device's functionality before splurging on the latest model. Number 11. Paying for convenience. Convenience services, like meal delivery apps, can save time but often come with extra charges. Find a balance between convenience and cost-effectiveness. Number 12. High-cost data plans. Review your phone data plan and explore cheaper options that still meet your needs. With Wi-Fi available in many places, you might not need as much mobile data as you think. Number 13. Retail therapy. Retail therapy might provide temporary comfort, but it's not a sustainable way to cope with stress. Find healthier alternatives, like exercise or creative hobbies. Number 14. Excessive energy consumption. Saving energy not only helps the environment but also your wallet. Turn off lights and unplug devices when not in use to lower your utility bills. Number 15. Ignoring financial education. Lastly, one of the best investments you can make is in your financial education. Learning about budgeting, investing, and money management can have a lifelong impact on your financial well-being. Remember, making small changes can lead to big savings over time. Let us know in the comments which of these tips you found most helpful, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Until next time, stay financially savvy.